YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by the first, Google. That means if you're not already on YouTube, you need to be. Posting YouTube videos with strong keywords will help maximize your online presence. After all, with Google owning YouTube, it makes sense that YouTube videos are displayed in Google search results. When building your YouTube channel, start by identifying who your audience is and narrowing down your niche. This will help you plan and create content for your target audience. A great way to come up with content for your channel is to think about your audience and solve a problem they might be experiencing. We've all done it, right? Headed to YouTube for a visual guide on something we need help with. Whether it's technical advice, product reviews, or how to fix something, you can guarantee YouTube has the answer. And guess what? YouTube isn't just about solving problems. It's also a great place to host your podcast if you have one or are considering starting one. Think about it. If you want to reach a wider audience, then why wouldn't you upload it to a platform that has billions of people browsing it every day? More people listen to content on YouTube than anywhere else. At the time of recording this video, YouTube has overtaken Spotify to become the largest podcast consumption platform in the US. And it doesn't even need to have a video for it to be successful. People don't mind listening while they're doing other things like walking, exercising, or just sitting back to relax and enjoy an episode. It's pretty easy to upload a static image to an audio file and convert it to an MP4 file. There'll be lots of apps available on your phone that will help with this. If you really want to include video but have limited resources, Zoom is an excellent and easy option. If you want to go one step further to guarantee sound quality, then Riverside FM is the platform for you. It even lets you export clips and teasers for social media. The biggest mistake you can make is wasting your time. Start building your YouTube audience today. It won't grow on its own, so here are 7 tips to help you build that all-important audience. Familiarize yourself with the YouTube algorithm. It's super important as it's the system which decides which videos YouTube suggests on the What's Up Next sidebar. Carefully craft descriptions, tags, and titles for relevant keywords. Use timestamps in your descriptions to section the video to help viewers find what they're looking for. Make your thumbnails stand out and ensure it works in tandem with the title. Canva is an excellent design tool with a free version that will help you create attention-grabbing images. Organize your content using playlists. This is especially useful for a sequence of videos or if you're hosting your podcast on YouTube. As soon as one episode or video ends, the next will begin. Ask viewers to subscribe to your channel and don't forget to promote your YouTube channel across all of your social media channels using teasers or clips.